Cosmetics are sold everywhere. Skincare, makeup, hair products, personal care items, through stores, salons, and online platforms like Amazon and Shopify. But if you manufacture or sell cosmetics in the United States, FDA compliance is no longer optional. Today, cosmetic companies must meet strict requirements enforced by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. And the biggest change in cosmetic regulation is called MoCRA, the Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act. MoCRA is the most significant update to U.S. cosmetic laws in over 80 years. It gives the FDA stronger authority to regulate cosmetics and requires companies to meet new safety and reporting standards. Under MoCRA, cosmetic companies must register their manufacturing facilities, list cosmetic products with the FDA, report serious adverse events, maintain safety documentation, follow stricter labeling and compliance rules. In short, cosmetic compliance is now closely monitored. If you manufacture or process cosmetics for sale in the U.S., your facility must be registered with the FDA. This includes U.S. manufacturers, foreign cosmetic facilities exporting to the U.S., contract manufacturers and processors. Facility registration allows the FDA to track where cosmetic products are made and ensure safety standards are followed. Without proper registration, companies risk regulatory action and sales disruptions. MoCRA also requires cosmetic companies to list their products with the FDA. This includes product names, ingredients, manufacturer details, facility information. The FDA uses product listing to monitor cosmetic ingredients and identify safety concerns. Every cosmetic product sold in the U.S. must be properly listed, not just the facility. MoCRA compliance is new, and many cosmetic brands are confused. Common issues include not knowing which facilities must register, failing to list products correctly, missing ingredient disclosures, not keeping compliance records updated, risking FDA enforcement actions. Even small mistakes can lead to inspections, warnings, or business interruptions. This is why cosmetic companies partner with compliance experts, and that's where FDA registration assistance comes in. We specialize in helping cosmetic brands meet all FDA and MoCRA requirements, accurately, efficient, and stress-free. When you work with FDA registration assistance, we handle MoCRA compliance guidance, cosmetic facility registration, FDA product listings, U.S. agent services for foreign manufacturers, ongoing compliance monitoring, regulatory documentation support. We ensure your business meets FDA requirements the first time and every time. With professional FDA compliance in place, products remain on the market without interruption. FDA risks drop dramatically. Retailers and marketplaces trust your brand. Your business scales safely in the U.S. Instead of worrying about regulations, you focus on growth. FAQ section: Common cosmetic compliance. Do all cosmetic companies need MoCRA compliance? Yes. Nearly all cosmetic manufacturers and processors selling in the U.S. must comply with MoCRA. Do I need both facility registration and product listing? Yes. Facilities must be registered, and each cosmetic product must be listed with the FDA. Do foreign cosmetic manufacturers need U.S. agent services? Yes. Foreign facilities exporting cosmetics to the U.S. must designate a U.S. agent, which FDA registration assistance provides. What happens if I don't comply with MoCRA? You risk FDA enforcement actions, product removal, inspections, and business disruptions. MoCRA has changed cosmetic regulation in the United States. Facility registration and product listing are now mandatory, not optional. Done wrong, it creates compliance risks and business interruptions. Done right, it creates smooth growth and long-term success. Let FDA registration assistants manage your cosmetic FDA compliance professionally. From MoCRA to full registration support. Stay compliant, protect your brand, grow with confidence.